In this video we're going to be installing the actual project manager script. So here's all the files we've downloaded to our desktop, and we can edit the MySQL files with the database information, upload, and then we need to run the database file into our database we create. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into cPanel. Once in cPanel, you just want to scroll down until you find your MySQL databases, and then go ahead and click to create a new one. So we want to create our new database, and usually it's good to make the database the same as the username. So I'm going to call mine Proj Manager, and I'm going to create the database. So go ahead and create. And you can see it's created, so we now go back. We now want to create a user with the same name. And here we create the username, and we create a password. And if we don't want to create a password, we need to get a score of at least a 70 out of 100 here when we're creating it. We can have it generate one for us. Put the same password in password again, and then go ahead and click create user to create our actual user for the database. As you can see, it's added the user. We now need to connect these two together, so we go back. So using the drop down menu, we want to find the project manager as I've created here, or the database name and user you've set up. Find the two and put them together and click add. And then we want to select all privileges so that they have all privileges on the database, and hit make changes. And it now tells us that it was added to the database. So now we've done that, we take a note of the actual database user and the database name, because we want to put them in our information before we upload the script. And don't forget the password as well that you created. So we then go back, and we go back to our cPanel homepage, and we're ready to scroll down and go into PHP and MyAdmin in just one moment. First of all, we need to go back to that script folder. And as you can see here, you go through the files and you're looking for the MySQL, right click and open it with Notepad. And here you've got the server name of localhost which you leave. It's always the same, or 99.9% of the cases. The user, you want to put in the username that you just created. So you paste it into here, the password and the database name, and then file and save, and you're ready to upload the script. So we save the files. We now want to go across to our FTP software. Here is the blank folder on my desktop. This side, this side is my server where I'm uploading to, and this side, as you can see, is all the files that I have on this actual folder ready to upload. So I want to left click and scroll. Want to left click on the top one, scroll all the way down, hold down the shift key and left click again, and then I've got them all highlighted. I left click and hold, and I just drag across to the folder on my server I want to upload to. And I let go, and it's now going to upload all those files and the folders to my website. And once it's finished doing that, we'll come back to the video. Just while that's uploading, I'm going to go to PHP MyAdmin. So I click the link. On the left here, I then want to click the database that I've just set up. So I click. I then want to go to the import icon. And now I want to browse to the folder on my desktop to upload the MySQL file. So here's the database file that's on my desktop. I click the link. And I hit open, and I now hit go on the bottom right, and that's going to run the database file into the database that we've created. So we hit go, and it will tell you the import's been successfully finished, and we're ready to go to the next step. By this time, if we go back to our FTP software, we can see that everything's uploaded and is all ready to go. So now we can actually browse to the main site and go to the login.php file. Provided you've uploaded everything correctly, the first time you upload, you just go into the login file and the admin, you put in for username and password, you put admin, and go ahead and log in. And you can see you're logged into the actual script. And just for security reasons, go to edit profile, and we've got login as admin, and here you might want to change and then retype the password and save, so that your login is now secure with a password that only you remember. And that's how you install the actual script for this product. Thanks for watching.